changes. Where? Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. When? From 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details. Temperatures will rapidly drop into the teens late Friday night. Any untreated roads will become icy and dangerous. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles.